In this video, we're going to be talking about Google Hangouts, tasks, and groups, and how they're helpful. Now, you can actually access these through your Gmail. So I'm going to make sure I have my right link for my account, and I can click Mail, or I can click the Mail icon. And I'm going to let it load. And once it loads, this is my old style Gmail. It's been renovated recently. Each time it's going to have your Hangouts right in this lower corner. Now, if you have the new layout of Gmail, it is still in the lower left corner. It just takes a little longer to load. And you're going to have options for chatting. And when you click on that chat, within the chat, you're going to have options to video or add more. And when you video, once that screen pops up on yours, in the top left corner, you're going to have the option to screen share. And you can decide, do you want to share your whole screen or just one window? So if you are conferencing with someone, you could explain step by step how to do something through your screen. Now, you can also integrate Google Calendars with Hangouts by clicking on Calendars. And when you add an event to your Google Calendar, so if I added one right here, I would click More Options. You can invite certain guests. So let's invite myself. You can select a video conference or no conferencing. And then when it is time for that meeting, when you click on that event, it'll give you a link directly to the video. Now, another thing that is really handy within the new layout of Gmail is tasks. So when you click it, it's like a digital to-do list. It'll load. You can add a task. So I'm going to say bring book. You can also edit it to give yourself a due date. So I want to bring this by Thursday. And I want to make a note to myself which book. I'm going to say a certain series that I want to bring. And then it saves. Now what it does then is it syncs to your phone if you have the app, and you can save it as a task and it will show up on your mobile app. You can also complete the task, which feels really good. And if you didn't like that, you can undo it and it will bring it right back. One other handy dandy feature that has changed with this new kind of update is if you're wanting to create some groups, go to your contacts. It's in a separate little spot now. Click on your contacts. And within here, your groups are now called labels. So this is the new term for folders. And so you can see here I've created a label for Google Educators. You go through your contacts, you click your 3 more actions options, and this will allow you to select which labels you want to put your different contacts under. What this allows you to do is when you're composing an email, a new message, you can type in Google Educators and it will pop up with all those emails linked to it. So instead of having to type each individual or copy and paste, you now have a quick way to add multiple people in one email. I hope that helps you with your Hangouts, your tasks, and your groups. Happy exploring.